Hey everyone, it's Tom Karadza with another Rockstar Real Estate Minute, and I want to share a little bit about what's going on in the spring market. We're seeing crazy stuff in residential homes that you would buy to live in. They're getting snapped up within a week if it's kind of priced as a middle class kind of home, priced right. It's getting snapped up really quickly and often for over asking. And we're seeing that for investment properties too. We had somebody just list a student rental property and it went within about 48 hours. They're in negotiation right now, so quickly selling. So basically, everything that we're almost looking for ourselves as investors is selling really quickly. And I think the thing that we have to keep in mind is that the reason that this is happening is because the Bank of Canada dropped rates. Now the Bank of Canada has their hands tied because of oil prices and dropping so quickly. The Bank of Canada had to take some action, so they dropped rates. Now the next threat that we have to think about as real estate investors is, what is the US going to do now? And the US has been threatening to raise rates for a really long time now. So we're kind of watching this to see if the US is actually going to raise their rates, and then how will Canada respond? Because that's what the US has been saying it's going to do, and Canada usually follows what the US does. But here's the thing. I think after last week's job report that came out in the US is petrified to raise rates. They haven't said this yet, but I have a feeling they're going to delay any spring raise to maybe a September timeframe raise. And even if they do that, they're going to give a lot of guidance that it's going to be really low and maybe not another raise for a long time. And they're really just doing it for some headlines. But I'm not even sure that they can do it then. So if the US doesn't raise rates, what's Canada going to do next? You know, they're going to want to try to spur our Canadian economy along. Are they going to keep them the same? Are they going to raise them? Or are they going to lower them further? And if they lower them further, what's that going to do to this crazy market? You know, we have Canadians buying properties. We have people from Russia and the Ukraine coming in here with money and buying properties. We have people from like Hong Kong and mainland China coming in here and buying properties. We have people from the Middle East coming in buying in properties. You know, is that going to make the market even crazier and frothier? So time will tell. As an investor, you want to watch this stuff. It's really important information. Hopefully that gives you some stuff to think about. Until next time, your life, your terms.